You guys have got to try this Korean pork belly.
You're gonna wanna get the thick cut pork belly. You might have to buy a whole lobe and slice it down yourself. You're gonna top that with garlic, chili paste, mayapoi, red onion, soy sauce, and we're gonna work it in with our hands into every little inch, especially where you scored that fat cap. We went ahead and used offset cider for this recipe. It's a local cider. Shout out to Adam Pinkham for supplying us with his guava varietal, which worked perfectly for this recipe. Cornstarch on top, it's gonna make a nice little marinade. Put it in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes. Red onion, we're gonna slice thin. Green onion, we're gonna slice on a bias. Thai basil, we're gonna roll on up and chiffonade. Cilantro, a nice fine mince, and then cabbage. You're gonna slice about as thin as your hand will let you. Right there. Perfect. A little bit of bird chili. A little bit goes a long way. Pasted garlic, lime zest, lime juice, black and white sesame seeds, sesame oil, sugar, green onion, and rice vinegar. Whisk together. Put it right on the top. You're not gonna overdress this. It's not gonna wilt, and it'll be better the next day. Watermelon radish, the prettiest radish there is. Salt, a little bit more rice vinegar, 45 minutes, fresh pickles. We're gonna fry this pork belly. We're gonna drain most of the marinade off. You're gonna wanna hit each side for about a minute and a half until it looks like that. We're gonna take it right here. Always land on a resting rack when you're frying. If it sits in the oil, you're not gonna get this texture. We're gonna snowman it. We're gonna do 2 piles. We plate in odd numbers always. 5 radishes. We're cutting the pork belly into 5s. Stack on top. Fried garlic. You can buy that retail, and a little bit of edible flowers just to make it look pretty. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Fried pork belly. Try it at home.
Let's give it a taste. Great umami on that pork belly. A great crunch. Apple cider's coming through. You gotta try this at home. You can do it.